Welcome to Brainy Bites for Kids! Wow! Make sure to hit that subscribe button!
Did you know your kitchen is actually a secret science lab? Today, we're going to learn how to turn boring ingredients into a bubbling, fizzing explosion. Put on your imaginary safety goggles because it's time to make some magic. First, meet our quiet friend, baking soda. In the science world, we call this a base. Bases are usually slippery like soap and can taste a little bit bitter. Next, meet the energetic vinegar. Vinegar is an acid. Acids are sharp and sour, just like the lemons used in lemonade or your favorite sour candy. Now, what happens when our calm base meets our sour acid? They do a wild chemical dance called a reaction. They mix together and instantly start fighting to create something new. That fizz isn't magic. It's a gas called carbon dioxide, or CO2. It's actually the same invisible gas that you breathe out of your body every single time you exhale. Think of a soda bottle that you shook up really hard. The gas inside wants to escape and pushes all the liquid out to make room. That's exactly what is happening in your bowl. This powerful gas pressure is how we make kitchen volcanoes erupt. By trapping the gas inside a small space, it pushes the bubbly lava up and out over the top. Now it's your turn to make some noise in the kitchen. Grab an adult, get some baking soda and vinegar, and see how much fizz you can create. Happy experimenting, scientists!